Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at my latest purchase. This is the low growing blend Canna Bulbs from Members Mark. Got these at Sam's, $13.88. Now this is 2024. $13.88 for 9 bulbs. Kind of cool the way these come in. You basically have 3 different varieties that you get. They've got some orange ones, some red ones, and some yellow. And then if you look, it tells you what the canna is, how tall will it get, and where you should use it. I'm going to open them, I'm going to plant them, and then we will see how they end up turning out. The great thing about it is I thought they were relatively cheap. I wanted to show you the bags because when you open them, I've already got the orange ones out. You kind of wonder, well, how do I know which bulbs are which? If you look on the bag, they're going to have a little bit of white writing. Not sure how well you're going to be able to see that. Probably can't see it with my camera, but basically it gives you a number, tells you what the item is, and then you can look at the box and you can match it up so you know which canna these bulbs are for. The other thing I wanted to mention is when you open it up, some of these bulbs are rather big. If you take some pruning shears and cut them in half, you can actually get more than 9 plants out of this package. So just to give you an idea of what they look like, this is the red ones. I'm going to go ahead and open them and we'll take a look. You can see this one's got leaves that are coming out. I'll grab a different one. Again, you're going to have 3 bulbs. But this one here, for example, has multiple shoots coming off. So if you wanted to, you could actually cut this and make a few different plants off of it. Okay, it's been about 2 weeks since I planted my bulbs. Now this pot only has 3 of them, but I wanted to show you, just like they said, they're all coming up really well. Really easy. All I did basically is took them out of the package. I cut them, made some extra bulbs out of it, threw them in a pot. The rest of them I threw in the ground. I'll show you those as well. They're coming up just fine. And here's the ones that I literally just threw in the ground. So you can see, I wish I could remember. I'm assuming the red leaf one is the red one, but the other ones are coming up just fine. So if you're looking for some cannas and you're looking to do it cheap, check out the ones at Sam's. I think you'll like them.